Welcome back to Lifeline HMS. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Pharmacy Reports module and how it helps you track sales, monitor inventory, and analyze overall pharmacy performance with ease. Let's start by navigating to the Reports section. Here, you'll find different categories including General, Pharmacy, Accounting, and Finance reports, each designed to give you valuable insights into different areas of your system and help you make informed decisions. In Pharmacy Reports, you'll see multiple report options such as order reports, purchase order reports, product transaction history, goods receiving notes, goods received, low stock reports, and expiry reports. Click on Order Reports to continue. Order reports provide a complete overview of your pharmacy operations, including inventory usage, order analytics, sales trends, revenue, and medication insights. Here you'll see a list of all previous orders. Click on Order Reports to continue. Once you've applied the desired filters, click Apply to generate the report. You can then export the report as a CSV or PDF file for further analysis or record keeping. You can also group the data by date, patient, or location to get more structured and meaningful insights. Next, move to Purchase Order Reports. Here you'll find a list of all previous purchase orders. Here you can get grouped reports based on status and supplier. You can apply filters such as location, receive date, supplier, and date range to refine the data. After applying the filters, generate the report and choose the export option. For shorter reports, you can instantly view or print them. For larger reports, the system will send the file directly to your email, allowing you to continue working without interruption. And that's how you can use the Pharmacy Reports module in Lifeline HMS to monitor performance, track inventory, and make data-driven decisions. For queries, support, or demo requests, feel free to contact us at info@lifelinehms.com. Thanks for watching.